Bellow niggers.
Hey! Stop saying that.
Why?
It's you.
Why?
Stop.
Why? Can't even see these people.
Wait, let me change.
I hate this.
Hello. You're
I'm
T-posing.
invisible.
You look at my screen. Why were you invisible in your screen? Okay.
I became the lion.
Why's your arms brown?
Yeah.
Why's your face look like that?
Hello,
Okay.
pixies. Hello,
Look at my screen.
Hello, pixies. Hello, pixies. I had a weird dream last night about you becoming a real cat and I was petting you so much.
Hey!
Get a shipped. Pixies, wake up.
Get out. I hope I don't see that in my nightmare.
What?
Getting chased by T-posing.
Wait, do you have no more own rice?
You're still T-posing.
I don't know, you're the one lagging. Even though my quality is bad. Wait, how do we fix quality?
I don't know. Quality. I thought your quality is already up. That's background transparency.
What if I turn it down? Ah!
What? Hey, why am I gray?
I'm T-posing, you're gray.
Yeah.
Ah!
You're T-posing in my screen and then I'm gray in
Ah,
your
it's
screen.
so ugly, look!
What?
Yeah, I'm turning back my graphics up.
But can you reset?
No,
Well, let me rejoin.
me too.
Yeah, because you're T-posing.
Respawn.
Okay. Oh wait, it's not private server. Yeah. Okay. Hey, wait. Stop.
Well, I'll just become Go. Go is my favorite.
Okay. Let me leave.
Blah blah blah.
Okay, wait.
Pixies, where are you?
Stop.
Pixies.
Precious. Precious.
Pixies.
Welcome to Baldur's Precious.
Wait, did it?
Hey, don't leave.
I did not leave downtown.
Dum dum. Belly rub. I want free belly rubs.
I would leave it. Oh, there, it's so much better. The lighting is so much better.
Okay, I hope I don't see you T-posing again.
Hi, oh bitches, come to.
Wait, I'm still loading.
Ah, stuck. You can't look at my screen.
Wait, I'm still loading. Say that stuff. Are you still T-posing? Where are you?
Princess, I love you.
Okay. Yeah, you're normal now.
Hello, come back to me.
Hey.
Come back. Come on, I had a dream. I was flying. I was flying with fluffy
Cloud
cloud.
wings. You had cloud wings. You're
Fluffy
flying up the
cloud.
sky.
Yeah, I'm flying up the sky and I saw a bunch of rainbows.
And then
What's your dream?
I turned into a cat. And then you're petting me.
Do a girl voice.
I can't do a girl voice.
Like just make your voice
Or just
squeakier.
no.
Like oh there.
No, I'm not doing that.
There do this. They do this.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
I love you.
Hey!
Wake up, Pixis. Wake up.
Hey!
Wake up.
I'm not.
Wake up. Wake up. I'm fast. I'm done.
What?
Bro, my screen keeps shaking.
Hey!
Stop closing your eyes. Wake up. Oh, there. Thank you for waking.
No. Hey! Are you still closing your eyes?
Wait, no. Come here.
Yeah?
Go in front of me.
Okay.
Go in front of me.
Okay.
Just go in front of me.
Yeah?
No, closer. A bit closer there.
What?
No, again. Go back.
What are you doing? You're just
Go
closing your eye.
Wait.
Wait, I'm lagging.
Wait. No, go.
What?
Go a bit further. Like Like here on the third step.
Third step. Hello.
Okay, wait. Oh, there. I love you, big sis.
In my screen, you were just scratching your head.
Look. In my screen. Wait.
Okay.
After this. Yay.
Hey.
I give you a hug. Where are you? Come back.
Hey, my screen, you're still closing your eye. Don't look.
Hug.
Look, you're still closing your eye. Normal face.
So laggy.
Okay.
Wait, come back. Yay! Oh no.
What? I don't see that in your screen.
Yay!
Wait, can you see this in my screen? Look at your screen. Now look at your screen. Wait. Okay. In my screen, you weren't hugging.
Come here, give me a hug again. You're so sweet.
I don't see you hugging my screen.
Yeah, you do. Let's play a game.
Okay. I hear Girl Garden music.
Okay, let's go.
I'm lagging.
Quick, I'm waiting for you.
Okay. Okay, let me change back.
My sister's demon! You're a demon! No,
Hello.
my sister! I don't care. I still love you. Ow! You hurt me!
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna check.
What?
I'm gonna check the tutorial.
Oh, you're gonna
Bruh!
check the chat.
No!
You didn't chat yet.
Let's join him.
No. You don't know how to play. You don't even know how to play TDS.
What do you mean? I'm pro. Hey, quick, please.
No.
Please.
We just started playing this.
We haven't. We played it for 50 minutes already. Look at it. See, 2 hours.
It's 7 minutes.
What do you mean?
I'm going to.
Come on, bro, play.
I will turn you into a shawarma.
Please, bro.
No.
Only 1 round.
In the real what?
TDS, 1 round.
Okay.
I mean 3.
And then we'll play Dandy's World again.
Yeah. Until
I swear if you.
it's because if he finishes,
But you're gonna start playing Girl Garden.
Yeah.
Then I won't be able to play Dandy's World.
do a game solo. I thought you like being solo.
Yeah, but we play both when we're playing Dandy's World.
It's because I invited you. I became taller again. Not like in Ito, I become smaller already. Someone's pointing a gun at me. Someone save me. Wait, can you take a screenshot of this? Someone's putting a gun on me.
Yeah. There.
Help! Someone's putting a gun. Okay, it's gone. Why can't I move?
Can't move.
Yeah, true. Look,
Still loading.
it's not.
Can you see the game or not?
Oh, there.
You see?
He's not.
He's not in the game.
He's restricted. I saw him.
He's not in the game.
Yeah, I know.
I just played Dandy's World.
Nah!
Why?
I thought we were gonna play 3 rounds.
I can't find you.
That's okay, just us 2. I just said that earlier, just us 2.
I'm not doing that.
Why?
No. Okay. Oh wait, it's not private server. Hey. Stop. Wait. Servers.
I love scarves.
Anyway, you have a crush on your sister.
Oh, you're taking forever.
I think she's in the game.
He is!
Okay.
Forever.
Don't make him mad.
Does he rage quit easily?
I don't know. I'm not know. What? Bro. Bello. Wait, type something.
No, you can't see
Okay,
the
okay. Okay, you type. Ano. Oh.
Wait.
Oh, the email. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna send.
Okay, send.
I sent it. Wait, you can see it there?
Hey. Hi.
So many highs.
I think it's delayed.
It's not.
Not delayed.
It's delayed. You have so many things.
Hey.
Go back scrub.
Hey. No. You're disgusting.
Why? You like that? You like that shit?
I don't ship them. I just think they're both cute.
You wanna kiss them?
No. It's fine if they're hugging, but kissing in the lips. No.
Oh, I think you will like this. You will like this.
What? What are you gonna type? Are you gonna type Buxton X Pac?
No.
What?
Wait.
I'm lagging.
I sent it to you.
Okay. The image I have.
Yeah, you like that shit, right?
And I just think it's funny. Okay, that's enough.
Listen, I'll make a group.
A group?
Oh, you can call?
Oh. No.
No, dismiss.
Dismiss. Just join me.
You said group X scraps.
What?
Nothing.
Fake?
Nothing.
What's fake?
Nothing. I just said fake.
For what? Oh wait, it's not a roleplay.
Let me just call him.
No!
Chill. No, I was just kidding.
You're gonna ruin my life.
Bro, I didn't even do it. Beans. We'll just play rivals.
Bro!
You promised we would play game.
Yeah, but
No, I originally said us two.
split time this one first. We'll just only played for like 5 minutes.
It's been 7 minutes.
Yes, and you already left because. Yes.
He promised!
Just wait, just let him be.
You know, if I invite someone to play a game, I never wait. I want to play with him instantly. Fine.
Hey, not TDS. What they're doing?
Xing the friend request. Didi World.
What?
Didi World.
Oh, train.
Play one game. Let's play
The
one
actual game?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just play scraps. Okay.
Let's go.
I don't have him yet.
Why?
Why?
Oh no! Oh, my twin brother.
What? Hey. Oh, hello. Hey, why are you kissing?
Hi, bye.
Okay.
No, what?
What?
Bro, I can't walk properly.
Where were you? Okay. I'm so laggy.
Kuya, let's let one person join.
No.
What's wrong?
Only the two of us.
What's wrong with that other person joining?
Only the two of us.
What's wrong? What's matchmaking?
You got this.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Even
And
though
then you
it-
died, and then you died, and then you died, and then the other ones.
Yeah.
You're gonna
I'm gonna
die.
kill myself.
We're gonna chat first.
You joined Devil Terrain.
There we go. Okay. Okay, stop.
I have 600. I'm saving up to buy Google. How much is Google again?
I don't know, I don't check. I don't check the shop.
let's check the shop. Where's Bob the fish? Yay! Bob the fish?
That's not Bob the fish.
Bob!
No.
Bob!
Okay. Block.
Oh.
If you see a giant arm, just avoid it. A giant arm on the ground. Oh, there's not two machines, I forgot. No. Oh, my skill check is so small. My skill check is so small.
Haha! You should have chosen.
Okay.
You said you would choose Gigi always.
Now I want to try scraps.
Arms.
Dude, look at me, why am I walking? Oh, never mind.
Oh, you saw Bob the fish.
Oh, I'm lagging as well.
Where's the what? Where's the arm? What are you talking about?
It will appear later.
Oh, two machines. You're so slow. Hey.
Don't bring up to me!
I'm sorry.
Oh, this.
Mama. Someone's bullying me at school.
Okay.
Okay, lost him on last. No.
No.
Almost.
Okay.
I already found the second.
Where are you?
Oh, my God. I just needed to get a capsule.
Okay.
Oh, chocolate bar.
Chocolate. I'm so laggy.
Oh, okay, there's the arm.
Yep. Don't get near it, I swear.
Hello.
Go ahead, lose heart.
Wait. Yeah. Oh no, Cosmo. Cosmo Diddy.
Okay.
Distract him.
Hold it. Okay.
There's a capsule.
Right. Oh, I found someone.
Who? Where are you? Oh, there are you. Who did you find?
Oh, there's a capsule.
Oh, there.
Okay, trying to
What
find
do you
the right
mean?
one. Oh, got an investigator badge.
Wait for me.
Hello. No, he's friendly.
He was a twisted, bro.
Yeah, but he only kills you with the giant arms. And they only spawn like somewhere.
I was putting his arms in the ground.
Yeah, it's like a portal.
He has no eyes.
He has one eye.
He's
He's closing it.
oh,
Oh, Amazing World of Gumball.
ah!
The Amazing World of Gumball.
No,
Oh, the last
distract
machine's
him.
here.
No, that's my machine. You're already guy.
Where is he?
He's his skill check is so big.
He's leaving.
Haha. My skill check is so big. Again? My skill check is so big. It's bigger than your mama.
Hey,
I'm talking about your mama.
that's never gonna be big as your brain.
What do you mean?
Big as your future.
We both
future
have
brain.
ant brains.
Ant brains.
We both have ant brains.
Yours is a more molecular size.
Which is an atom size.
Yours is a quark size.
Or? Which is half.
Uh-oh. Trey, you cannot lose me. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh, I don't know this. Oh shit.
Okay, good job.
I don't care. Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Come
I wish
on,
that
run. Okay. Yes!
Okay. Good job.
You're gay. Where did I put my fish hooks? How many takes do I have
We don't have enough.
for M? Oh, I have almost.
Despite extraction candy.
I don't have. I only
Oh.
have 32.
Oh.
How do we even get
Let's
tapes?
not bite first.
How do we even get tapes? Bye. Let's not buy from Daniels.
No.
But what is wrong with you? I want to see you.
No.
No, it's my choice. And plus, I never saw him.
Okay.
One in the shops. Still two machines.
Okay. Oh, Jay, be careful. Do not touch this. Do not touch this.
Roger Dodger.
Roger Dodger. Power Ranger.
Robbie Crab.
Rabbit Red. Oh, Papi's here as well.
Poppy and Dandy.
Good job.
They're never gonna
Your
find
skill
me.
check is bigger, but you still miss.
Hey, the button of that is small.
Okay, yeah, true.
You wanna change device? Only change devices once.
Yeah. I was also playing the game like yesterday in the phone. I got to floor 10.
I already done that. Oh wait, what?
Oh, that was so quick. I lost health because I lagged. Stop laughing.
I'm already here. Close, 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 close. Close, 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 close. Close, close. Aww.
Eh, I'm Spider-Man.
You're not.
I'm Spider-Woman. Okay,
Okay.
we're choosing that. Yeah, we're choosing that. Hey! Okay. I'll spank your booty.
Yay! No, I didn't.
Wait, there's nothing on our screen.
What's the first one?
Sure.
I was about to change. I like that.
Yeah, that was so quick.
Yeah, we go separate.
Now there's 3 machines. I'll do this one.
Oh, I found one as well.
Okay.
I found a capsule right next to it. Oh, 2 capsules next to it.
And you found something.
Hi, Brasha!
Russia.
It's weird.
Are you kidding me?
Wait.
Why do you keep losing all?
What's wrong? I'm not a Dandy Sword fan. Oh no, this
Then-
is a circle.
I don't think you would survive in a zombie apocalypse.
Okay, you said that for me, God.
Hey. Okay.
I hate this game.
And I'm lagging. Oh, there's so many capsules.
I don't put it.
Okay, but on your screen, they're not server-sided. Oh, Shrimpo.
Dong! Where is it?
No!
Dong, I'm a good fan. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh! Hi, Dong! I found Dong.
Okay. You mean Shrimpo?
Dong.
Okay.
Where are you?
No.
Found Russia. And she chased me.
See,
Stamina candy.
I'm extracting the last machine.
They might hate this.
Why?
She found while I was hiding. And I'm next to Shrimpo.
Okay.
Little bros, you're so slow. I'm literally walking.
Oh! Are you
Close,
kidding
close,
me?
close, close. Come on, close. No! You
How
can't,
many-
no!
What? I lost a heart. I got jump scared.
Or.
Why do we keep losing heart?
See? Instructions. Jumper cable. What's instructions for?
It makes your like extraction speed quicker, I think. I'm not sure. I don't remember. It has to do something with the extraction machine.
Tutu.
Go what?
You said tutu.
No. Go.
You said
Mugu mugu.
I heard you say tutu.
Mugu mugu.
I'm gonna use all my candies.
Okay, find the.
Hey, that's mine. That's mine. No! You're a cheater.
Oh, you look behind you. Oh my goodness.
Hi, Bluey. Oh, damn, she's there.
Ugh.
You're too slow. Bluey.
Her name is Connie.
Bluey.
She's friends with Gigi. No. She's a ghost. Okay, there. Jumper cable. It's my
Will I see the chat here, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, this is done.
Yeah, the circles are hard.
I keep thinking to just stop on my screen. I just want to change.
I'm lagging.
Yay!
No. What do you mean yay? Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Hello? There's someone chasing me. Uh-oh.
Hey. Oh, capsule. Oh, there's a capsule. There's a capsule. Scarps.
That's me. That's me.
Poo poo! Help!
Okay.
Get weaved. Weave. We am out of stamina.
Okay,
and I
okay,
lost my heart. And Blue is next to me.
I'm out of stamina and he's chasing me.
Bro, we got the same.
You get close to me, I'll grapple you. Okay, almost lost my heart. Okay, then go around. Yeah, see, that's what you do.
No, you don't do that. Where am I?
Hey, I'll do the last machine.
No!
I'm the
Yeah, yeah. Where are you?
Doo-doo.
You're like two.
Hey, I'm not a doo-doo. I'm an ice cream doo-doo.
I'm gonna lead one of the two sets here.
You don't even have an air horn.
I'm gonna find them.
Okay, I'm doing better the circles. My skill check is so small.
Oh, hi, Connie. Wait, does she attack?
She only attacks you when she's on a machine, on a finished machine, and then she makes the machine pretend like they look like they're unfinished.
I'm gonna be far away so you can't reach me. I'm gonna dance.
I'm out of stamina. No! No!
Yes!
No.
No!
No.
Yes!
No, I'm lagging.
6, 5, no! Go out!
Why do you want me to die?
You are the reason. Wow.
Stamina. There's no icon in my screen.
Can you picture?
Hey!
First time.
I'm punching you.
Wait, what? Hey, what's wrong? What even does rehearsal mean?
You're supposed to beat the stamina.
What's rehearsal mean?
I don't know, I wasn't looking.
Rehearsal?
I don't know.
Okay, rehearsal. I'm not sure. Oh, Gumball.
The Amazing World of Gumball.
Hey!
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 It's okay, that's useless. Another Gumball. Oh, Finn! It's your evil version.
Hey, wait, he's my brother. Where is he? He's gone.
Your brother? I need to regain stamina first.
Hi, Doc.
Where
Oh
is
no,
she?
Doc is coming.
Tell me where she.
He's there.
Tell me where she's going. I'm extracting the machine.
Where?
Check where he is.
He's gone!
Okay.
There, chill. I'm leaving you.
You would be a bad teammate. You're just leaving me.
Hey, what's wrong? You leave me too. Sometimes.
What do you mean?
Sometimes. Chill.
Okay, sometimes.
But this is sometimes only. Revenge.
You're making me feel like always.
Ow, my arm.
Oh, now I forgot. When you extract a machine, you become slower. Because Finn is here. No.
What?
Twisted Finn.
I become slower?
No, you become slower when you extract a machine when Twisted Finn is here.
Oh. Why?
No, I'm lagging. That's his ability.
Oh, I found 2 cups.
Oh, he's going for you. He's going for you. Run, run, run.
He's not.
Stop extracting!
Chill! Chill, bro. Rage bait.
Yeah, you're getting. I'm getting rage baited by you. That's why I don't want to play with you. You're at 1 heart. Oh. Okay, where are you? Let me go where you are. Let me just distract. Hello, guys.
Hello guys, today we're doing a vlog about who can eat me first.
Okay, I lost. Made them. Okay, you're good. You're good. Oh, there's another machine.
Hey, that's mine!
Hey.
That was mine! Bro, you got 2 capsules already and you did the last one from the other floor.
Why are you sounding Australian?
Hey, you already took 2 machines earlier.
Oh, okay, let's hide. Hey, I told you to hide.
No one's ever gonna catch me. They're gonna catch you. See? No one's here. See? No one's here.
Where'd it go? Oh, someone's going here. Dre, let's stop extracting. He's going here.
Already done. Chill. I got slowed. Oh, thank you. So fast.
I ran out of stamina so quick.
Okay, I have 0 stamina again.
I'm so.
No!
I almost lost heart.
No, I'm not gonna buy it.
Speed.
Oh, I need that.
Hey!
I need it.
I swear if you played next to me,
I never.
I'm gonna I'll actually get you.
Bro, what's wrong?
You're being the worst teammate ever.
It's just a game.
And you're rage baiting me. I know it's a game, but you're actually rage baiting me. You keep saying it's a game, but you're the one ruining the experience. That's why I play alone.
That's why I just asked you to play another.
That's why I want to kill you.
You almost died already.
I'm so laggy. I hate this.
Oh, Kuya, look!
What? Okay. Where are you?
Here. I'm gonna do a left side.
Okay.
I'm left side, so you can do the circle.
Oh, giant arm.
Here.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
So
it's
first
the,
side.
oh, I'm doing the circle one.
And then do the base. So fast.
Not so fast. Okay.
Into there.
I swear.
It's already done.
There's a giant arm. I got a teamwork badge.
Oh yeah. And I found another one. And Brush's there.
Russia.
It's never gonna get good.
It's only Russia.
I found another capsule.
Okay. So laggy.
Hey!
Oh. Oh.
No.
Run faster.
No.
You're not even sprinting.
I'm saving stamina, bro.
You have so much. You're good. Oh. She's gonna see you. Stop. Okay.
Bro, I went a long way.
Why you run so quick?
Did you miss me?
Yeah. They're all the same.
Did you miss me?
No. Okay. Okay, fine. That was dead.
What's that?
What?
What's that mean? Reduces the what?
So they're slower.
Oh yeah. By how much?
I don't know. I just saw it.
Hours.
Oh.
We reached floor 7. Oh no.
What's the? Oh, no.
no. I'm scared. No, and dog 8 ball found me.
Oh.
Dog 8 ball, help me.
Oh. I was trying to distract them.
My controls are so bad. It made me go there even though I was trying to go left.
Okay, let me catch up.
Wait, I'm just gonna check it.
Okay.
Bro became offline.
Okay. Just don't mind it.
Wait, I'm here.
Just don't chat him. Don't chat that. You're gonna make him mad. I don't know.
You rage beats easily?
Do I lag so much?
Let's play Rolling Sky Massive.
do. Okay. Oh, I see a red light.
What does that mean?
What's bright me?
Ah, she lost her face.
She still has her face.
She lost her face. My arms freaking hurt. I'm gonna try.
Oh, now there's 4
Time
machines.
Murray. I'm gonna try. Time Murray.
Oh,
That's the hardest level. Even though.
oh my goodness, rabies kid.
Raby?
Rabies. No! Are you kidding me?
What?
He died. What?
Oh, finally.
Wow.
We passed that part.
Nice. Okay. The easier
No,
version.
I'm playing Time Murray. I can't even complete this.
Oh, so laggy.
I can't even complete this one.
It's the hardest. It's the hardest one star. It's easy.
It's slow. That's why I just died. How do you even get that gem?
Which one?
Like the first gem.
You just move the arrow.
Oh, there! I got the crown. Let's go on so low.
Yeah, nice. The mystery boxes are easy.
Oh!
Yeah.
What?
What?
I missed the mystery box.
That's fine. The mystery box is hard. Yeah, it's confusing.
Gem.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, no.
One of the blue ones. Huh?
I did! It made me go into a hole. Those tree has a hole and I can't go through.
Okay.
Someone's named Shelly.
Shelly.
Oh, there. He's on there.
Nice. No. Okay.
Okay. On my back. Oh! Oh, it's cracking so bad. Because I can do it.
Minecraft's a bit.
Yeah, Minecraft's like.
Wow. Can we do roleplay later again? Yeah. After Grow Garden.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to play the run. The circle ones are so fast, the skill checks.
Yeah, true.
They're so
That's
fast.
why he.
And my skill check is also really small.
True.
Yeah. It's like my actual body in real life. Skinny. Okay, I just need one more machine. And then floor 8. And then I'll get to floor 8. We actually got really far. We got to floor 7.
We've gotten to floor 10.
Yeah, I've gotten to floor 10 mobile. Because I was using Fin.
It's us two.
Yep.
It's us two together.
Yeah, we got to floor 7. I got to floor 10 in my phone.
We also did it together now.
Oh, yeah, I remember. That was a long
And
time.
then I had to go.
Yeah.
That's why we had to exit.
Oh, look, Dre.
What?
I just got here and then she just said, I miss doing art here.
Which one?
I got here and then she said, I miss doing art here.
Oh.
Yeah. That happened. Yeah.
Why don't we join? Wait, there's moonlit now again?
Moonlit?
Yeah,
Okay.
there's moonlit again.
Okay, the last machine's here.
I need this.
Okay.
Let me place. % only. I'm a greedy one. You're so greedy.
Greedy.
That's That's why you become Roblox.
Oh my gosh, the elevator's far away.
Oh no. What? And I'm not there for you to drop a lot.
Yeah.
No, you're
Oh no.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh my goodness, that was so close.
Why? What was the time? The timer?
No, she almost bit me. Still no band-aid, but I'll jump her cables.
How much bandits? How much health do you
I still have 2 hearts.
have? You're so
Yeah.
pro.
Scrap is actually good.
Even though you like GG.
Yeah, scrap is good when you're with someone. Doing solo is kinda difficult.
Because you can't grapple anyone.
Yeah, but you can grapple on the machines. The only, even though she has 200 stamina, her stamina also like regenerates so slow.
Yeah.
But still, she's still good too.
Oh, yes! Yes! Yes!
Bug egg,
Yeah!
is that good?
Yeah!
Okay.
Join me to quit by this.
I'm playing. Okay.
Bro, you can just go back, bro. Wait. What time does it? How much does it restart?
I don't need it.
You need
I don't. It's my choice. And I'm
in 20 minutes. So for you'll die in 20 minutes.
That's fine. No,
Just buy it.
I can't because I'm playing Dundee's World Run, and I'm in floor 8.
I'm telling you, if you die,
Okay.
then you can buy the book.
Now I see Louis.
Louis?
Yep. Louis.
I was just wishing for a bucket to be installed. I don't have a bucket! I just bought it.
Box 10.
What was my bucket?
Okay.
What? Did I already place it? I just wished for a bucket.
Oh my goodness, the circle one.
Why? You almost...
It's fast.
Hello!
What?
My aunt. Cute?
Hello.
Wait, I have an emergency? Oh, there's this performers.
Joy, look, he's T-posing. He's T-posing. Oh. Okay, great. I've been recording only for 43 minutes.
I thought it was already 1 hour.
Yeah, I thought it was already 1 hour and a half.
Bro, where's my bug egg? I thought it was just in stock.
Oh, I'm in a treadmill.
What?
Eh?
Wait, what's that?
Into like, I'm thinking. That's
Oh,
easy.
that's good.
That's easy.
Oh, I wanted to try that.
You need to be lucky. Find one. Like me.
We're not lucky.
Scrap is lucky. Ooh.
Wait. Come on. Where's my bug egg? Oh.
He's T-posing.